everyone, my name is Ella and this channel is all about travel fitness at the Grand Canyon. This morning I don't have my bands with me, so I'll have to improvise. I'll be doing some body weight exercises, so stay tuned. If you enjoyed this video, I'd very much appreciate if you gave it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing. I mean, look at this. I bring this to you almost every week. So along the route, I'll actually be stopping at different places where I could basically do a little bit of exercising. So I'm using this bench right here for tricep dips. And this is training with a view. Easy. Alright, so now, just in case you think you're not getting enough of a leg day, we are going to do some step ups. So, just gonna go here. Or you can just alternate. Let's do about 10 per side, right here. Keep your core tight. Now we're going to do some elevated push-ups. Now they are really elevated, as you can see, but we can give it a try. Make sure we don't slip into the canyon. Just do about 10 reps right here. Oh, hi! So, here we are on the edge of the canyon, and I was just thinking we could do some squats because this would be a perfect flat spot for that. So here we go. Just do some squats right here. No equipment needed whatsoever. Just the nice breeze of the Grand Canyon and the pretty views of the Colorado River. And that's it. Fast forward, now we're in Southern California, and we have this whole beach here. So what can you do? I'll show you a few exercises you can do on this beach. So you're going to follow the next exercises, and you're going to follow the plan in the description below. Number 1 is a squat hold side shuffle. So we're going to hold the position here and go 5 steps each side. Jump and high knees back. So I'm gonna the next one will just be a sumo squat. Side squats, then a jump, then another 2 side squats, jump, and then come all the way back. The very last one is a fingers, which we're going to do by tapping the head on the ground. So, bonus exercise for you, and it's for the abs. It's a T rotation. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It does help my video get more exposure. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.